So here is the cleansing gel. This is an amazing alternative for people who have more oily skin types. This gel will not strip your natural oils from your skin, leaving it very refreshed and clean. This is my second step in my skincare routine, as at nighttime I use an oil-based cleanser to remove all of my impurities, and I rinse away with my gel cleanser. I'm obsessed with this cleanser as it contains hydrolyzed oats, which helps soften and smooth the appearance of the face and allows product absorption. So it has hydrolyzed oats, which help hydrate and maintain the skin's pH and hydration of the skin. How I use this cleanser is I pump the cleanser onto my fingertips and I gently massage my face, washing away impurities, makeup, debris, and dirt. I love this cleanser and I love to massage it into my skin to promote my lymphatic drainage. So I cleanse for a thorough 60 seconds, and then after I pat dry and never stretch the skin, and then I follow up with toner.